Hello guys, my first video actually seeing in 2023, and just calmly I'm over here with tons of, obviously I say tons of, but at least once a week video about trading, about challenges and stuff, anything related with trading. So please consider subscribing to my channel if it's your first time, and hit the subscribe button so each time I release a video crushing trading, very likely you'll be the first one to watch it and then not miss it. So if you followed my videos at past, if not, I like to challenge myself by different stuff, whether it's like challenges with normal firms like FTMO, my Forex fund stuff, or there've been trend, still I think it's trending, so going on about 20 pips challenge. And actually you need, in my case with IC market, because I'm kind of loyal to IC market, I think, as broker. I got Axie as well, but I never use Axie to be honest. But with Axie, with IC market, you need at least 30 pips to hit some targets as shown here. So what they say, oh, you need 20 pips to hit these goals, obviously. So as it shows in my last attempt, which was last week, the week just gone, I managed to proceed a bit further, like from like first level, second level stuff. But then I don't go exactly saying, okay, so I'm gonna stick with this. But this could give you an idea of what kind of lot size you should be looking at, because to be honest, if you go below these, the process is gonna be way longer. I mean, the challenge is going to be more tedious for you, so you may get fed up and then you just quit. But then if you try to get your position as close as to these numbers, obviously this is the goal for turning $20 or pound or euro, whatever your currency is, into 50 grand at least. In my case, I'm going to show you my stats and my results for past week. Obviously, again, I'm honest with you, I never kind of trying to pretend otherwise and be always trying to be transparent, so I'm not lying, to be honest with you. So this is my third or fourth attempts. Again, this is absolutely risky. As it says, guys, over here, you're gonna risk 30% per trade. So whatever your balance is, you're gonna put 30% of it per each trade you open. So you have to be prepared for that. So that's why everyone have done this or trying to do this always say, don't treat this as your main focus, main business, or we're gonna say, take it. So don't really focus on this as you changing your life. But it could if you be really consistent and that don't get emotional. Maybe I could show it to you, prove it to you. Obviously at past there are people who how I took this kind of spreadsheet from, done it, and then they smashed 50 grand. So I'm gonna do it myself as well. Again, I admitted for multiple times I've tried, and then this is my I think fourth time. So at past I tried to go to level 7, level 8, and then somehow I kind of left it and then quit it. So this time I'm gonna go to my MT4. So obviously this is a live account. We changed our place as well, so I'm trying to get the nicest setups I could over here. Actually, we're trying to expand the family as well, so it's a bit stuff going on. Yeah, so over here, guys, if you look at it, it says 67.45. Obviously, I'm not really looking at number in a case saying, okay, that's that or that's that. So you see, turned 20 pound to 88 pound. Actually, when I checked it, it went to all the way to 120. But then, obviously, I tried to be, doing other tasks and other stuff. So I ended up closing my trades and ended up the week with 88 pound. So that actually could take me all the way to. So if I combine everything, going with that thing, because the whole point is turning 20 pound to minimum 50 grand. That's the series. That's a kind of series title. I'm gonna name this videos. I'm gonna combine and then put it together, and then actually try to have it shown maybe once every fortnight, if not once a week. So with other weeks, with other videos as well. So let's say what we could look at it was, so again, we start with 20. This is the important part, guys. So you have to aim, obviously, if you want to do it, you have to look at the profit target per, how I look at it. I'm not looking at per trade because because what I found, guys, is really stressful. It's really stressful, jumping that high from the, look at the lot size from 0.03 to 0.07, then 0.4, then 2 lot size, and so on and so forth. So it's really, really risky, and then it's just gonna, give you a heart attack, I would say. So for that reason, how I treat it, I try to be happy with my day. So as long as my day finishes above these numbers for my day, I'll be happy. So let's combine all these profit targets for 4 days. Let's say 4 or 5 days is my standard of, looking at this. So I'd be happy if I finish 5 levels in 1 week. I'd be more than happy. But then how I be finishing each level, that's something I do love to see more of these, profit targets. So let's look at it. So for first day, 6 pound, second day, 8 pound. Obviously, I go by day, as I said. I look at those profit target as my minimum day target. So I'm not looking at it as my minimum trade target, because at past, as I said to you, it didn't work out for me, guys. It didn't work out for me. So it was absolutely, crap, and then absolutely, stressful, and then I'd rather to not looking at it anymore that way. So that was 14 plus 10 plus 14. So 38. In 4 trades, we have to be looking at what? 38. 38 plus our 20 initial. So we have to be looking at 58. So what I'm at, guys, so yeah. So I say I pretty much down to 0.07 kind of lot size. So that brings me to 88 pound. So you see, guys, I'm almost 20 something. So 30 pound, 30 pound above. Yeah, sorry, 30 pound. Where is it? 30 pound above my actually let's say target as profit wise target after 4 trades. So I'm actually above 30. So I have pretty much a lot of buffer. So that's what I want, guys. I want to make as much as I can per my day. So even if I lose 1 trade, I wouldn't really be depressed that much, and then I say, okay, it's fine. So like I don't know, 10 pips or 15 pips, gone. So what you're gonna do? You're not gonna do anything about it. That money is not longer yours, as they say. So you have to forget about revenge trading. Overtrading, revenge trading, absolutely killing this challenge. So bear in mind. I think that can be applied for FTMO challenge or any other challenge you want to take. But really this, because you're gonna start way lower, capital of yours from your pocket. 20 pounds or $20 is really nothing. It's not gonna impact your life. I would believe for most of you guys, it's not gonna do anything. So 20 pounds or dollar wouldn't do any, wouldn't do much with it. So if I'm wrong, tell me. You can do some stuff in your country. I don't know, maybe in Western, Eastern, Asian countries, African countries, 20 pound or $20 might be big deal, but in Western countries is nothing. It's nothing. So I think you could try and then assess your patient level, and then try if you can emotionally, dedicate yourself, and then say, okay, I'm gonna stay cool from level 1. As you see, guys, so you start with $20 a phone or whatever the currency is, doesn't matter. You start with 20 of your currency, you start, and then if you wanted, you could rely or try to adjust your lot sizes with this. Obviously, if you go exactly with this, it's going to be fastest route, but then you're going to be absolutely stressful, and then it's going to be absolutely worse type of approach doing it. But my approach is trying to finish 1 or 2 trades per day. That's it, maximum 2. 2 is a bit too much if you feel like, because it's market. So sometimes, in my case, market, some currencies may move 300, 400 pips per day. So I'm not talking about gold, guys. I'm talking about Forex pairs. But then someday it might, move 80 pips. Still, I'm happy. If not breaking it to 2 trades of 40 pips, I can, try to aim to get at least 50, 60, 70, 80 pips. That's where you see the, difference is. And that's how I'm looking at it, guys. So if you want to do it, try to, finish 1 trade per day. Let's say, okay, we're not going to win all the time, isn't it? From the other side of the, aspect, looking at this challenge, you may lose. We may lose. So if you're not rushing it, you can say, okay, I lost this trade. So you would have still you would have pretty much per your day to maybe trade 1 or 2 and then call it done for the day if you kept losing for the day. But then you may win it next trade. That's, to be honest, that's how I have managed to get to this level past week. So there were days like I lost 1 trade and then I kept trading, because obviously I'm not saying I'm something, but I know what I'm doing with day trading. So I managed, as I showed to you, to get back to my place and then obviously go above the profit target for my week. Even if I add, I keep going to the YouTube stuff. Even if I add the next level, which is 18. So we were I'm still up, guys. I'm still up 76 as it shows over here. So pretty much I'm above my week. But then what I'm gonna do, I'm not rushing it, guys. I'm not rushing it. I could jump to 0.1, but whatever. But I'll try to rely and then go off this spreadsheet as much as I can. Obviously with my tweak, as I showed to you what's my tweak and then how I deal it, what's my spin. So Monday I'm gonna start with 0.09 and then see what I'm gonna do for next week. I mean till Friday, guys. But then it's really exciting at the same time, stressful still, because when you see these numbers are honestly just you forget, what you done. It was another 20 pounds you put in, so why you really getting this worried about it? So at the end of the day, it's not your money, but then that's where the whole thing is. Trading is about doing business. So you put whatever money you could afford in, and then based on your patient level, based on your skill level, you could extract as much money as you could allow yourself, to be honest with you. So because you allow yourself in a sense like how patient you are and how much you trust yourself in your system, in your strategy. So all these stuff combine, kind of determine how much you could do, make on consistent basis, guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, guys, if you want to see what I could do again, I keep saying this is not my first attempt, guys. This is not my first attempt again, nor I'm god of trading. Obviously, I could lose sometimes, but then if overall I'm making progress, that's where things changes, guys. But then I would have other videos, passing challenges. Obviously, you could check these videos over here. I've been testing my most favorite, tool to use, which is Gold Run Indicator. In this case, is version 2, which is amazing, guys. I've been trying it on so many, pairs and instruments, and to see what's accuracy and then how I can actually filter out the wrong signals and as a result try to increase its accuracy. You can check them out, as well as how many times I passed challenges, 10K challenges, 50K challenges, That's a 50K challenges. So I know really what I'm talking about, guys. And yeah, you see, I've tried this indicator on so many pairs, and then you could see what pairs are working the best with it. And then maybe you would want to get your hands over this beautiful indicator, or get some one-to-one mentorship. There's gonna be a link in the description, so you can check it out, and then it's gonna take you to sit down where you can get the indicators, or you want to get further education trading related, you could do, and they gotta look after you guys. And as you see, I've been doing challenges and stuff. So if you wanted to know more about these stuff I'm doing, and then maybe replicate the stuff I do, you could follow along and even download this spreadsheet and then see if you could do it yourself in your pace, guys. Because again, anyone could be treating this different. So because to be honest with you, when I started it said, okay, 20 pips is nothing. Obviously you're gonna check in demo, or how we're gonna check it with some amount of money you wouldn't mind losing. Try to see what your broker give you as tick value. Let's say try to do 20 pips. It called 20 pips, but in reality, for spread, for this and that, all the crap, I don't care. All I care is the money I bang or no. That's all I'm looking at. I'm not looking at all this straight on that. So, but then in your case, you have to check if you do 30 pips, would you get this profit targets? If you do, then carry on. So you know what you need at this 30 pips or 40 pips or whatever. It's not definitely, I guarantee it's not 20 pips. So knowing that you need 30 pips at least per lot size, reaching these profit targets. But then you say, okay, I tried gold. I can do 400 pips per 24 hours trading gold. Yeah, you could, but then you have to be sticking to the screen, which is not possible with me, guys. So if you do that, and then you see, oh, I'm gonna break it down. Okay, so I do 50 pips per trade. So I'm gonna do, I don't know, 8 trades, and then do 8 trades. Do it, guys. Do it. So you may be able. I can. I'll be happy with maximum 1 or 2 a day. That's it. I'd be more than happy if I carry on winning 2 trades every day. That would be amazing. That would be just fantastic. That's how my schedule works. That's how I could get this done. Otherwise I wouldn't. Anyway, I'm still working on getting some EAs done of myself. I don't know, Fiverr is a bit tricky to work with the so-called sellers over there and developers. To be honest, most of them are just waste of time, guys. Fiverr just, but then what else I could get things done. Yeah, anyway, nice to talk to you guys. Nice seeing you, spending time watching my video. But then again, it's gonna be interesting, trying to turning 20 pound to 50K. In my case, as I said to you, if you try to aim 1 trade a day or 2 trades a day, you're gonna end up with, I guarantee you're gonna end up with more than 50K. This is kind of a reference what you could do. So I'm gonna name my video series. I'm gonna name my video series as turning $20 to plus 50K, and that's how I go. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.